Explanation of formation of cobalt-amine complexes on the basis of Werner theory. Means application of Werner theory to cobalt-amine complexes. Before we start this topic, we will see some basic concept required to understand the application of the square bracket. The square bracket is called coordination sphere. The square bracket is called coordination sphere. Inside the coordination sphere, there is CMI, central metal ion, highlighted in blue color, and capital L means ligand. These both moiety, CMI and ligand, combine together called the complex ion. CMI and ligand combine together called the complex ion. CMI attached with a ligand means CMI can form coordinate covalent bond with ligand. The number of coordinate covalent bond that CMI can form with a ligand is called coordination number. Number of coordinate covalent bonds that CMI can form with a ligand is called coordination number. In this slide, we will see some introductory part of primary and secondary valency. First of all, we will see the primary, which is highlighted in pink color. Primary, principal or ionic valency. In primary valency, in the primary spelling, there is a I, means it is a ionic in nature, showed by dotted lines. It is placed outside the coordination sphere, means outside the square bracket. It is showed outside the coordination sphere, means outside the square bracket. Corresponds to oxidation states of metal ion. Corresponds to oxidation state of metal ion. In this figure, here Cl, which is highlighted in pink color, which is attached to the cobalt, which is CMI, by dotted lines. This is primary or principal or ionic valency. Now, secondary valency. Here, 6 NH3 ligands attached with a cobalt, which is CMI, with a thick lines. This is called secondary or auxiliary valency, termed as coordination number. Secondary valency is equal to coordination number, termed as coordination number, showed by thick lines, placed inside the coordination sphere, means inside the square bracket, placed inside the coordination sphere. Fixed position in space round the CMI. Fixed position in the space. After taking some revision, now we will start our today's topic, that is explanation of formation of cobalt-amine complexes on the basis of Werner's theory, that is application of Werner's theory to cobalt-amine complexes. Here, cobalt forms a series of compounds with ammonia. Cobalt forms a series of compounds with ammonia having the compositions. Cobalt forms a series of compounds with ammonia having the compositions COCl3, 6NH3, COCl3 5NH3, COCl3 4NH3 and COCl3 3NH3. They are collectively called cobalt amines. They are collectively called cobalt amines. In all these complexes, ammonia molecules are so firmly bound to the cobalt ion. In all these complexes, COCl3 6NH3, COCl3 5NH3, COCl3 4NH3 and COCl3 3NH3, in all these complexes, ammonia molecule are so firmly bound to cobalt ion that they cannot be removed even after the heating with HCl at 100 degrees Celsius. In all these molecules, ammonia molecules are so firmly bound to the cobalt. In these complexes, ammonia molecules are so firmly bound to the cobalt ion that they cannot be removed even after heating them with HCl at 100 degrees Celsius. Werner explains four complexes. Werner explains these four complexes, that is case first, case second, case 3 and case 4. These four complexes explained by the Werners. Here in all these four cases, cobalt is CMI. In the square bracket there is CMI cobalt. Cobalt is CMI. In all these four cases, cobalt is a CMI. Cobalt shows secondary valency, that is coordination number. Cobalt shows secondary valency, that is coordination number of 6. Means cobalt can form coordinate bond with a ligand with 6 ligand. Cobalt can form coordinate bond with 6 ligand. And primary valency, that is oxidation state of 3. Here cobalt shows secondary valency. Secondary valency means coordination number. Cobalt shows secondary valency, that is coordination number of 6. In all these cases, look inside the square bracket. In first case, cobalt is attached with a 6NH3, means coordination number 6. In second case, cobalt attached with NH3 and Cl, both ligand. Here 5NH3 and 1 Cl means 6 ligand. In second case, cobalt attached with a 6 ligand. Out of 6, there is 5NH3 and 1 Cl. In third case, cobalt attached with a 6 ligand, that is 4 ammonia molecule and 2 fluorine molecule. And in fourth case, again cobalt attached with 6 ligand, that is coordination number is 6. Secondary valency is also 6. Cobalt attached with 3NH3 means ammonia 3 molecules and 3 Cl molecules. In all these cases, cobalt shows a secondary valency, that is coordination number of 6, and primary valency, that is oxidation state of 3. Now we take each case one by one. Case first. The molecule COCl3 6NH3, COCl3 6NH3, which is formulated as CO NH3 by 6, 3 positive, Cl3 negative 3, has 6 NH3 molecules. Has 6 NH3 molecules. Look here in the complex CO3 positive NH3 by 6, which is highlighted in blue color. Here coordination number of cobalt is 6, means 6 NH3 molecules means ligand attached to the cobalt. 6 NH3 molecule that satisfy the secondary valency of CO3 positive ion. 6 NH3 molecules that satisfy the secondary valency means coordination number of CO3 positive ion, and their attachment with the central metal ion CO3 positive is shown by thick lines. The molecule COCl3 6NH3, which is formulated as CO3 NH3 by 6 3 positive Cl negative by 3, has 6 NH3 molecules that satisfy the secondary valency of CO3 positive ion, and their attachment with the central metal ion CO3 positive, which is a central metal ion, is shown by thick lines. Now we will see the primary valency, that is oxidation state of +3, is satisfied by 3 Cl negative ions, which is placed outside the coordination sphere, means square bracket, and highlighted in pink color, which are shown by dotted lines, and are kept outside the coordination sphere, It is shown, its structure is shown in the figure. As all the 3 chloride ions are loosely bound. These all primary valency showed by the 3 Cl negative ions, which is highlighted in pink color. These all 3 chloride ions are loosely bound. They are immediately precipitated as AgCl on addition of AgNO3. These 3 primary valency is kept outside the coordination sphere, means outside the square bracket. Here 3 Cl negative ions, which are shown by dotted lines and kept outside the coordination sphere. All these 3 chloride ions are loosely bound. They are immediately precipitated as AgCl on addition of AgNO3. Thus, the solution of this compound should conduct current to give 3 Cl negative ions. Thus, the solution of this compound should conduct the current to give 3 Cl negative ions and 1 CO NH3 by 6 3 positive ion. Its ionization can be shown below. Case 2. In the molecule COCl3 5NH3, which is formulated as CO3 NH3 by 5 Cl and Cl negative by 2. Here in the complex, one Cl is highlighted in blue color, which is placed inside the coordination sphere, and other Cl highlighted in pink color, which is placed, the 2 Cl negative ions highlighted in pink color, which is placed outside the coordination sphere. Okay, one Cl negative ions does the dual function, means blue, which Cl inside the coordination sphere, there is one Cl which is highlighted in blue color. This Cl negative ion does the dual function. This blue Cl negative ion does the dual function because it satisfies both primary as well as secondary valency. It satisfies primary as well as secondary valency. Werner therefore showed his attachment with a central metal ion. Therefore, Werner showed its attachment with a central metal ion by a combined dashed solid line. By a combined dashed solid line. Look here in the figure. There is a blue highlighted bond dashed solid line. Satisfied both primary and secondary valency. This in the molecule COCl3 5NH3, which is formulated as CO3 NH3 by 5Cl. This Cl highlighted in a blue color in a coordination sphere. This Cl satisfies both primary and secondary valency, and hence Werner showed its attachment with a central metal ion, means CMI, that is cobalt, by combined dash solid line. This Cl ion being non-ionic, means secondary, it satisfied the secondary valency. Secondary, there is no I in the spelling of secondary, means it's a non-ionic. Secondary valency is non-ionic. This Cl ion being non-ionic is not precipitated as AgCl by addition of AgNO3 solution. This Cl ion being non-ionic is not precipitated as AgCl by AgNO3 solution by addition of AgNO3 solution, and hence it is different from the other two Cl negative ions, which is highlighted in pink color, which is different from other two Cl negative ions, and therefore has been placed along with the 5NH3 molecules and central metal ion cobalt in the coordination sphere as shown in its formulation. In the complex, the other two Cl negative ions, which is placed outside the coordination sphere and highlighted by pink color, being ionic, are precipitated as AgCl by Ag positive ions, and the total number of ions obtained is 3. One complex ion, CONH3 by 5 Cl, coordination sphere closed, 2 positive, 1 complex ion, and 2 simple Cl negative ions. Thus the formulation, that is coordination number 6 of CO3 positive, its ionization can be shown as case 3. The formulation CO3 NH3 by 4 Cl2 coordination sphere complete plus 1 Cl negative of COCl3 4NH3 shows that only one ionic Cl negative ions, which is highlighted in pink color, is present in this compound, which gets precipitated as AgCl on addition of AgNO3 solution. Thus, it gives two ions in a solution, one Cl negative ion and one complex ion, that is CO3 NH3 by 4 Cl2 coordination sphere complete plus 1. Its ionization is represented as the last case is of non-electrolyte compound. The last case is of non-electrolyte compound because here no ionic Cl negative ions is present. Here no ionic Cl negative ions is present in this compound. The formulation CO3 NH3 by 3 Cl3 square bracket complete means coordination sphere complete raised to 0 on of Cl3 3NH3 has no ionic Cl negative ions and hence it behaves as non-electrolyte. No ionic Cl negative ions and hence it behaves as non-electrolyte. In this compound, all the three Cl negative ions which is placed inside the square bracket means coordination sphere performs dual function. They satisfy primary valency of +3 as well as secondary valency of 6 of CO3 positive ions mean coordination compound coordination number of 6 of CO3 positive ions, and their attachment with CO3 positive ion is shown by combined dashed lines and are placed inside the coordination sphere. It is represented as CONH3 by 3 Cl3 coordination sphere complete raised to 0. Again, in this compound, all the three Cl negative ions which is highlighted in blue color and if placed inside the coordination sphere satisfy both primary valency of +3 as well as secondary valency of CMI means cobalt is 6. Their attachment with CO3 positive ion means with CMI is shown by combined dash solid lines and are placed inside the coordination sphere. It is represented as CO NH3 by 3 Cl3 square bracket complete raised to 0.